Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do some lists and we're going to do a little bit of list joining. So first of all I'm going to import the time function. You will see what this is all about later. Right, so we're going to create, the first one we're going to create is lists, a list function. Okay. So I'm going to create a list of numbers. Numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers is equal to 5. Then we're going to create a list of names. It's equal to, let's say, Mark, Dave, and Steve. Okay, there we go. And then let's say a list of locations, just random locations. Locations is equal to, let's have a look, Brazil, US, and another location. Whoops, what's happened there? Okay, Brazil, let's have a look at US and another location, let's say Germany. Okay. Whoops, that's I thought there was a little bit of a problem there. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to print some information. So print numbers list. Numbers list 2, and we're going to add the numbers on there. Numbers list. Okay, in the next one we're going to do a names list. Okay, names. Okay, and then we're going to print the locations. Okay, here we go, locations. Locations list. Okay, right, we're going to print another message so the user knows what's happening. Print OK, joining the lists together. Okay, joining the lists together. And I'm going to print, let's put this on the next line, joining 1, 2, and we're going to use the time function here to give it the impression that it's working in the background. Time.sleep, okay, and 1 second, so it makes it look like it's working in the background. Okay, so now here comes the magic. So we've got these. I'm going to create a variable called list3, which is going to be equal to the numbers list. Numbers plus names plus locations. Okay, print a message to the user so the user knows what's going on. So we're going to say all lists have been joined together. All lists have been joined together. Okay, so we joined all the lists together. And okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create another function called define try again. So if we want to do this again, we can run through this, and I'm going to use entry is equal to import. Yeah, entry is equal to import, and try again. So try again. That's going to be yes or no. Okay, so the user can type in yes or no if they want to try this again. So if entry dot lower is equal to, I'm going to say y here. Okay, we're going to do something. That's wrong. It's a typo there. So if entry dot lower is equal to y, we're going to do something, and we go back to the lists on here. Okay, we're going to go back to the lists. Else, we're going to do something else. So let's have a look. Else, what should we do there? Else print quitting. Okay, so we'll quit the program, of course, and we're going to exit it with the quit here. Okay, now I'm just going to save that, and before we can run the program, we've got to call it, of course. So I'm going to call it using lists, which is going to be this up here. So this is how I'm going to call the program, and just save that. Hopefully there's no typos in there, and we shall run the program. Okay, there you go. So we printed out the numbers list, printed out the names list, and we printed out the locations list. Okay, joining the lists together. All lists are being joined together, but the more eagle-eyed of you will have spotted that we've not outputted the final result. And why haven't we outputted the final result? Okay, because we made a couple of mistakes here. So what we should have done, print, say list 3, print list 3, which will output list 3. And of course, before we can go down to this function again, try again, we're going to have to call it, aren't we, with try again. Okay, so we're going to have to call that. So what we do is we save it again and we run it again. Okay, there we go. So names, that's the name list, that's the locations list. The message, okay, joining the list together, joining, and we had a little bit of a delay there because I used the time.sleep and gave it a 1 second delay, so it looked like it was working in the background. The message to the user, telling the user that all the lists have been joined together, and there we go, there's all the lists joined together. Should we try it again? Yeah, so let's hit Y. Okay, again, we got the same output. Should we quit? Say no to quit the program. No, quitting. Okay, so the program has been quitted. Right, thank you very much for coming along with me, and I hope you enjoyed that. And remember to like and subscribe. It will definitely help my channel, and it'll put a smile on my face. Anyway, I'll see you again in another video. Bye-bye.